Hey girl, welcome back. Oh my goodness. If you can't tell, I'm excited because we finally have some real color. Look at how gorgeous this wig is. This is what I have been begging for. This is what wearing a wig is all about. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be something different, something you wouldn't normally do with your real hair. Now, this is the dark plum unit from Luvme hair. I genuinely was not prepared for how absolutely gorgeous this wig was going to look. Like, I knew it was going to eat, but I didn't know it was going to eat this much. Like, she looks amazing. So the color on this unit is a deep, dark plum. Very subtle. I know it's not the super bold color that, we were maybe expecting, but it's still very playful, very beautiful, and very much fun. And being that it is this nice, deep, dark plum, the color doesn't look costumey. It doesn't look overly loud or Halloween. It is actually quite rich and deep and warm, and it's a style that you can wear every day, and it looks very intentional. It looks like you woke up and chose to be that girl today. That's how it reads. And the beautiful thing about this unit is that it looks a little bit different in different lighting. So here's how it looks indoors. You can definitely tell it's a deep dark plum, but once you take it outside, it looks even more bold and playful. It's one of those colors that really just keeps on surprising you. Now, I want to show you something because, like typical Luvme hair wigs, this wig comes with all the bells and whistles. It comes 100% glueless, okay? You don't have to worry about any glue, any gel, any spray, no got to be, or any of that. Comes 100% glueless, comes pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, and pre-parted over on the right hand side. Okay, check out this hairline up close. This is how it looks straight out of the box. And again, 100% glueless. It's also made with a stretch fit cap, meaning it is going to stretch and mold to the shape of your head. So if you're a big hair girl, don't worry, you will have plenty of space. And if you're a small hair girl like myself, this wig does come with 3 different adjustments. It comes with first the detachable adjustable elastic band. It also comes with these smart clips in the back that you can adjust to 3 different sizes, small, medium, or large. And again, you have that flex fit cap for extra room and support. Now, if you are an eyeglass wearer like myself, this wig also comes with these C-shaped cutouts over on the side to make sure it's extra comfortable. It's not sitting on top of your ears, giving you headaches and whatnot. So you can wear it comfortably with your eyeglasses, your sunglasses, or even without. So not only is the color amazing on this wig, but they literally thought of everything. You have comfort, you have style, you have a little bit of fun as well. And you can genuinely take this wig straight out of the box and wear it as is. And this wig comes in a few different lengths. I'll put the link for this exact wig up here on the screen. Not only does this wig come in different lengths, it comes in longer lengths, but it also comes in 180% density. So you're getting a little bit more volume in this wig because it is a longer unit. And that helps to contribute to this beautiful bounce and flowiness. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that body. So this wig comes pre-parted over on the right hand side like I mentioned, but it is a 7x6 lace closure. So it's pretty much temple to temple lace. So even though it comes pre-parted over here on the right hand side, you can part it anywhere else. So if you prefer a middle part, you can definitely turn this into a middle part wig, and that would be so cute. You can also part it over on the left hand side as well. I don't know about you, but I know that I have been begging for some color from these wigs because I don't know what it is, but everybody and their mama wants to try and compete for having the most natural wig. That is the whole purpose. Like, that is the whole point of having a wig, so that you can play around with different colors, different styles, stuff you wouldn't normally do with your real hair. And that is why I absolutely love this unit. It is so fun, it's so playful, but in a very subtle way. Let me know what you think of the color down below, and let me know if you also want to see more color in these wigs because it's definitely needed. Anyway, if you are looking for a little bit of a color change, or maybe something for a special occasion, or even just want something that looks like you spent hours in a salon even though you didn't, this will definitely be a wig for you. I have all of the details and the direct link for this wig down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And if you decide to purchase this wig or anything else while you're over on the Luvme Hair website, make sure you use my coupon code up here for extra discount on your orders. And if you like this video and you love wigs like I love wigs and beauty, make sure you give this video a like and go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more content like this. And while you're over there looking around, you might as well go ahead and check out this playlist right here featuring all of my favorite wigs. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.